Breaking news coming. Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa has expressed displeasure over open dissent by his party MLAs. He says, and I quote, "If they are really disappointed, let them clarify the same with the party high command. It will not be right for them to make these statements in the media and cause confusion and show dissent. These statements will be against the party's ideologies," unquote. This is after the growing rebellion and the voices of dissent against Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa in Karnataka and him facing rebellion. This is a statement that is coming in from him. This is the breaking news that we're bringing you at this point of time. B.S. Yediyurappa issuing this particular statement and has expressed displeasure over the kind of open dissent that is coming in by the party MLAs. Nolan is now joining us for the very latest. Nolan, what's going on? There's a lot of drama happening in Karnataka with a lot of rebellion against B.S. Yediyurappa as well. And now this particular statement coming in from Yediyurappa saying that it's not right for the MLAs to make these kind of statements in the media and cause confusion and show dissent. What's going on right there? He's saying that these are statements that are going to go against the party's ideologies. I mean, rebellion is not going against party's ideologies.
Well, Sheti, it's like this. What the Chief Minister actually said this morning was that he says that he knows that 10 to 12 MLAs are the ones who are creating this mess. But he says that if they have any problems or any issues, they can clarify it with the party high command. But what he clearly says is that with them speaking out in the media about these issues is against the party ideology. That is what he also says. And he says that these statements will hurt the party. If they have an issue, speak to the high command. Now, while all this is happening, the Chief Minister's political secretary, Renu Kacharya, this morning left for Delhi. In fact, he says that he will be meeting the party high command authorities over there. He says that the ones who were loyal to the Chief Minister were not made ministers, but the ones who actually went against the CM were made ministers in this third expansion of the cabinet, and that he will be informing the party high command and also the party president about the scams and the issues that those who have been made ministers are involved in. So this is proper dissidence out in the open, but the BJP high command is very sure that they'll be able to manage this and there will be absolutely no trouble.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.